Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on Thursday, July 2nd, 2020. It is 3:47 right now. The markets are still open, but as you can see, the SPY is rolling over into the holiday weekend. No trading tomorrow. So this means this will be it for the week. Wanted to get this video out as soon as I could. And because I need to head out of here pretty early as well. So just go over a couple things real quick. SPY gapped up pretty good with some news, and then with jobs reports faded to its pretty much gap close. So it's pretty much going to close break even, maybe up a couple points at the end of the day here. You can see it's going to make lows. This could go down to the 200 on the 5-minute, but still 12 minutes to go, so you never know what might happen. I think people are a little bit sketchy about what's going on in the COVID world. But at the same time, there's a lot of people just don't care. So people are just going to trade and move on. Today was one of those days where I got off to an interesting start. I was looking at the United Airlines here, and it was on a 2-minute chart, so it's easier to see it. But it was the wrong stock to be looking at this morning when other people were looking at other things. I was looking to break at this red candle here, the opening price of 35.88, and I did get some off I didn't have a losing trade. I made like $30 on the trade or something like that, but then it rolled over, and then airlines just kind of died the rest of the day. Meanwhile, people were looking at Solo, same type of thing. Let me go over there. This is the one was mentioned in the chat room. Just a big mess on this one. A 250 stock just broke through, never looked back, all the way up to 350 here, and then I don't know if it made new highs. I think it got to 350 here, but like 340 here. Huge move for a $3 stock, and I wasn't able to take advantage. But that happens, and there's a couple others just like that. I think I don't remember which one. Tesla's out of control. Let's go back to a 5-minute here. Open up, it gapped up and then kind of faded a bit, but we're talking, it's at a 12.11. That's just insane. I took a news event here on NKLA. I got some about 50 cents off on this trade here, which isn't too bad. I took a Roku trade. I think I'm just going to stay away from Roku because I hit it again. Took the break at the 28 level on this candle, and for some reason I just got chopped out of it. I think I took the break here of the 28 and didn't let it go against me too much. Obviously, like I said yesterday, that blue line, I gotta let that blue line work, and look, it went up to 132. Very frustrating to see. This continuously happens, and it's unfortunate. The big player of the day, though, so that got me down. I was actually turned negative there. I was getting a little frustrated, but then I heard a call out for a recent IPO, Lemonade, which is, I think, artificial intelligence insurance for renters or something like that. You can see it open up here. It was I forgot what price I took it at. Hang on a second. Okay, so I took the break at the 62 level here, I believe it was, on this candle, and this thing just took off. It was so spready. It's like 50-80% spreads. And it went up to 67. I only got off at 64, but it was like without a doubt a huge winner. It was like a $200 winner with 100 shares. Definitely got me back to break even. I tried to trade it again, and I did get beat up pretty good because it just whipped me down. And then I traded it one more time, and I did get it all back. So it ended up being a pretty good day on that one. I think I made $165. I think my max gain was like $200. But I was down after I had $200 winner. I was down to like $100, and then I got the $65 back. So end of the day with $57. It was up higher than that. So it would have been nicer, but I was also in the negative earlier this morning. So to end the week with 57, it's not a lot of money, and I know that, but it's working towards the goal. Ultimate goal is to be able to trade larger, be comfortable with my trades, and move into certain days where I can power up some shares and really make some nice gains and not have to worry about it so much. So I gotta learn to win and lose with small shares, and then add shares as I grow. So that pretty much covers it up. You guys have a great weekend. good 4th of July, and I'll be back on Monday. Mentoring sessions, so there should be some good trades. Hopefully, I just got to manage my risk and be smart, and we'll go from there. So you guys have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon.